Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A56, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock that you don't know. Now, I also want to clarify this: if you're doing this to get rid of a screen lock that you don't know, chances are you will need to do a verification after the reset, which will require you to either provide screen lock, which you don't know, or the Samsung or Google account. If you have Samsung account and Google, it will default to Samsung, but if you don't have a Samsung account signed in on the device prior to the reset, it will then choose Google. And at this moment, this cannot be bypassed, so ought to mention this for people that might be interested. Now, if you want to remove a screen lock, the process will vary a little bit compared to if you don't need to remove a screen lock. So if you don't need to remove anything, just hold power button, volume down, and then select power off twice, and the phone turns off, and you're good to go. For the people that need to remove a screen lock, you won't be able to turn off your phone like this because Samsung wants you to put in the screen lock. So grab a cable, and you'll need the cable for the first method too if you know the screen lock. So what I'm about to show is going to be first for the screen lock, and while I'm going through it, it's going to pick up for the people that know their screen lock. So if you turned off your device, the moment I swap from power button volume down and start holding power button volume up, that will apply to everyone that has already their device turned off. But for people that can't normally turn it off, this will be done right now. So plug in your device and either start holding power button volume up right away, or plug it in and hold power button volume down, interact with the display so you can see when it turns off instead of times out. Disregard that. Then switch to power button volume up, which is the same thing that you would do when your device is off. When you see Galaxy, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And this will then redirect you to the recovery mode. Hopefully that made sense. I tried to kind of cover both of the grounds at the same time. So in here, you can remove the cable, as it's only needed to get us into the recovery mode, and it's done for annoyance purposes, I would assume. And then using volume buttons, you're gonna navigate down to wipe data factory reset, confirm it using your power button, and select factory data reset. Once it's finished, which will be indicated by the last message, data wipe complete, reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more, and this will now reboot your device, continue resetting the device in the background, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.